back for another update. Let's take a look at Doge over here. And what we see with Doge is over 643 days of accumulation in a accumulation schematic number 1 for the Wyckoff accumulation. And what we see over here is your preliminary supply, so one last upswing or upthrust before we have that capitulation. And this is your sell and climax, where all of the retail sell their bags, causes an automatic rally, a secondary test, and then you have your failed breakout. After your failed breakout, the composite operator moves the price back down below your secondary test, so below this psychological support over here, and anything below this would be considered manipulation, right? Secondary test in phase B prompts the price back up to the top of the range because we have a short squeeze when people close out all of their longs over here. Okay? Then what you have is a creak to the downside. Okay, the price is creaking over here. It's very painful for retail investors because they don't know what's happening. They just get excited. They get very scared over here and get very excited over here every single time, right? This is the part of the market where you don't want to be in, right? You want to be selling into this failed break and then, staying in cash during this creek, or you can even trade this range, but it's not recommended unless you're a skilled trader. After this creek, you move down below this support over here into your spring. After your spring, you're going to have a move up and then a test of the lows. So when you don't know if this is the absolute low, you would want to look for the creek, wait for the spring, and if you want to be safe, don't get in on the spring and don't get in on this advance either. You would get in on the test, and in this case the test came down to the 88.6% fib. Okay, when we take a fib from this low up to that high. Okay, so if we go on the daily time frame, you see how we held the 88.6% fib, and we went below this. We went below this psychological support over here. And then we popped back above it. You see, we went below the psychological support, and then you see this swift advance up. When you see this bullish engulfing right here, or you can even get in over here on the break of structure. Let me show you here. See this break of structure? Okay, so price is trending down, right? You make a move under psychological support, and then you break structure over here. This is your BOS. And then you would enter in maybe on the retest or right here. And if we look a little closer, we can see it blasted off after that, right? Into your sign of strength. So you have your move up. So this is your jump across the creek after your test. Your last point of support, sign of strength, backup phase, and your backup phase finished in 2024. It finished in March 2024, and currently holding the support right here. Okay, currently holding that support, but wouldn't surprise me we come down a little bit more to these fibs over here. Okay, so this is the Wyckoff. This is the Wyckoff perspective. I'm going to show you the waves over here. I still think we're in the fifth of our third wave. Then you come down for a fourth, and then have a very explosive fifth wave up here. Okay, this is Doge all the way back in 2015 here. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. This is the 2-day time frame. And you can see that we are trending up still. Let me see here. Okay, we're still trending up here. So remember, the trend is your friend always. Always follow the trend, and you know, it's always good to look at every time frame, because every time frame does tell a story, and you can put that story together and then form a bias. And right now we see that the backup phase finished in 2024, and now we have been trending up since since 2023 over here. Okay. Okay, so we have the Wyckoff perspective, and we also have the Elliott wave count to go with it, with your targets. And if you like videos like this and you want analysis like this on all your favorite coins, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord. This is the Discord over here. You get access to all of these charts, over 300 plus charts you get access to, and you can ask me any question you want. So if you like the video, just click that link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.